Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Epic Games library to another SSD. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring both SSDs are properly installed in your computer. Power on your system and let it boot into your operating system. Open the Epic Games launcher once your desktop appears. Log into your Epic Games account if you haven't already. Navigate to your library tab within the launcher. Identify the games you want to transfer to the new SSD. Close the Epic Games launcher to prevent any files from being in use. Locate the current installation directory for your games. This is typically found under C:\program files/Epic Games. Open File Explorer and navigate to this directory. Select the folder containing the games you want to move. Right-click the folder and choose Cut to remove it from this location. Open the new SSD location where you wish to transfer the games. Right-click in the new location and select Paste to transfer the folder here. Once the transfer is complete, reopen the Epic Games launcher. Click on the Library tab once again. You may notice the games are still present but marked as installed. Select the game that was transferred and click on the small drop-down arrow next to it. Choose Verify from the menu that appears. The launcher will then recognize the existing files on the new SSD. Once the verification process is complete, your games will be ready to play. You can now delete the original game files from the previous SSD if desired. Repeat these steps for any additional games you want to transfer. Make sure to regularly check for updates to keep your games running smoothly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.